am Michelle Natividad Nueva, Sales Master from Clark Imperial Center. Okay, so ngayon po, no, I would like to share the goodness of our product. We have seen and we have heard so much about the products of Atomy. So sabi nga natin, absolute price and absolute quality yung produkto natin. And my family and I are few, no, sa marami na na-blessed ng ating company when it comes to health. So as you can see here, ito po yung medical or yung clinical chemistry lab test, no, ng aking mother last January this year. As you can see, ang taas nung kanyang cholesterol, LDL, and then yung kanyang triglycerides. And from there, nag-take po siya ng Hemohim, and then yung kanyang Alaska E Omega-3. So religiously na to, talagang binabantayan na namin. Kasi yung sa kanya, binibigyan namin siya before, pero hindi siya talaga religiously nagtitake. So nung binantayan na namin, ayan, kitang-kita naman natin na kung papaano po bumaba. So from 240, naging 142 yung cholesterol niya. So can you imagine that? In just less than 2 months, meron po ba makakagawa ng ganyan? So kay Atomy lang yan. Alright, and then next po, no, would be my personal testimony. I am an accountant by profession, and then I'm doing Atomy side by side. So most of the time po talaga, siguro mga 16 hours, more than, nakatutok po ako sa gadgets. No? So kailangan nating ingatan ng ating mga mata. So nung nag-take ako nito, makikita nyo, no, yung aking astigmatism and then yung eye grade ko, nag-improve po. Nagtataka ako kasi sabi ko, bakit sumasakit yung ulo ko? And then when I go to sa aking ophthalmologist, and then ito nga po, no, nag-improve, no, yung aking eye grade less than ng 0.25. So I have seen, no, some of the products pa lang to, marami tayong testimony, and ako personally, for my family, since I joined Atomy, my children are no longer taking antibiotics. Hemohim and paracetamol lang, sapat na sa kanila. And yon yung grace talaga from the Lord. So ang Atomy po is really a gift to humanity. So to God be the glory. God bless po.